Hey there, I'm Kelly DeMail with DeMail Real Estate. Are you buying or selling a home and you're wondering what role a home inspector actually plays in the process? Well, home inspections can uncover hidden issues. They can provide peace of mind and even impact negotiations. And in this video, we're going to break down everything buyers and sellers need to know about home inspections so that you can fully be prepared. And if you're in the market to buy or sell a home, understanding the inspection process is key. So be sure to watch until the end and don't forget to reach out to DeMail Real Estate for expert guidance to make your transaction as smooth as possible. Hey guys, I'm Kelly DeMail and I own DeMail Real Estate at eXp Realty in Rochester, Minnesota. I am obviously not in Rochester if you can see outside behind me. I am in Costa Rica right now, but I thought it would be a really fun place to do a video. So today we're talking about home inspections and why they're one of the most important steps in a real estate transaction, yet they can often feel pretty overwhelming. And today I'm going to walk you through what you need to know whether you're a buyer or a seller in regards to inspections. So what is a home inspection and why is it important? Well, a home inspection is a professional evaluation of your property's condition, including the structure, major systems, and potential safety concerns. So for buyers, it ensures that you're making a sound investment by identifying any costly issues before finalizing the purchase. And for sellers, an inspection can help avoid surprises during negotiations by addressing those problems in advance. Now, what do home inspectors typically check? Well, a standard home inspection covers the roof, foundation, plumbing, electrical, heating, cooling, appliances, and structural components of the home. And inspectors also check for signs of water damage, mold, and pest infestation. Buyers should pay close attention to these areas so that they can make informed decisions, while sellers can prepare by maintaining their home properly before they put it on the market for sale. How can buyers use this home inspection to negotiate? Well, if an inspection reveals significant issues, buyers can request repairs. They can negotiate a price reduction, or they could ask for help with closing costs. And sellers should be aware that major problems like a failing roof or outdated electrical wiring could affect their sale. So addressing these concerns early can prevent those last-minute deal breakers. Now, should sellers get a pre-listing inspection? Well, many sellers opt to do this so that they can identify and fix those potential issues before their home is on the market. This proactive approach shows that sellers are very transparent, they can speed up the selling process, and it can make the home more appealing to buyers, which will reduce the likelihood of unexpected repairs, delaying that transaction. Now, if you'd like to know more about home inspections and real estate tips, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any of our future videos. And please follow us on all of our socials. And if you've liked this video, make sure to hit that like button. We would really appreciate it. If you have any comments, questions, or even just some feedback, we'd love to hear from you. I'm Kelly DeMail with DeMail Real Estate. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.